Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix no GPS signal lost on Narzo 100 Lite. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on power saving settings and click on battery. You will see optimization. Battery optimization is here. Click on battery optimization if you want to fix this problem. So disable battery optimization, click on off. After disable battery optimization, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, the last solution is factory reset. Click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. Click on backup and reset phone. Click on factory reset. Enter phone pin. Click on clear. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix no GPS signal lost on Narzo 100 Lite. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.